Hi, my name is Suki Tsunama, the solo developer of Witzh project. Witzh is action MMORPG that want to give the experience of overcome obstacles together. The major inspiration of this game came from Monster Hunter, where the player focus only killing the boss. For the Witzh game, because of we have three types of character, that is tank that can draw attention from the monster, damage dealer, and support to heal, buff or debuff. So it means players need to cooperate together. So which is a hardcore game that decided players needed to develop their skill and character to beat the game. Boss monsters in this game have 3 to 5 HP stages depending on difficulty level. If players depleted each boss HP stage, boss will teleport away from players to make a chance for players to regroup, and boss will become more friends like increased status, add more skills, or move faster. For business model of which we will use like author normal MMORPG game that player can download it for free and play it for free, but we will collect the income from another method like advertising or in-app purchases. Get started with the advertising. When player want more rewards, or we can sell a permanent buff like 200% of EXP or loot for one-time purchase. Sell a consumable items, monthly game pass, or costume gachapon. For my background, I am a computer engineer that builds a lot of apps and websites under a lot of startups and companies. I have participated in a lot of startups events and competitions to build great products, but I never realized myself that I want to build a game. So this time I encouraged myself to build a best game. I have spent the time more than 15,000 hours working on coding. I have participated in a lot of products and projects to monetize it in the CEO, CTO, or even the solo developer. And for currently, I playing the game about 20 hours per week just because of I love game. Planning and traction. Currently, I build this game for about 6 months already. At third month, I have tested the game on a small group and I found that this game is not working because of before this I used the JavaScript on the game server and it's not working. It have a lot of glitch and it's very hard to develop. So I decided to rebuild whole game with the Unity as the client and server, and then I use the Ruby on Rails to manage the data between the server and client, and I decided to use Kubernetes to manage whole server. Current progress before this game can launch as beta test is about 70%. MVP features are playable games with only one boss monster to get started testing the whole game system. And the next plan is to add more boss monsters, add daily rewards, and monetize the system in a couple of months to start the user acquisition process. All I need are everything that make this game launch successful, from the marketing, mentors, funding, and players. I want to give the best result to the player to give them fun, entertain, and energetic. Thank you for watching.